Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Made Easy, your go-to channel for AI-powered money-making strategies. In today's video, I've got something truly exciting for you. I'll be sharing 2 incredibly simple ways to make $1,000 every single month using ChatGPT and other AI tools. Yes, it's so easy that even a kid with a slight interest in AI can do it. But before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it now so you don't miss out on more awesome content like this. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT and search for the top 10 self-help books. Remember, this method can work for any niche, but we'll use books as an example today. Once you have the list of top 10 books, pick one. Now, enter this prompt into ChatGPT, and within moments, you'll have a 2,000-word book summary ready to go. Now copy-paste this summary in a Google Docs file. Next, jump over to Canva. Create a custom-sized design, 1280x720. Search for book images in the Elements section and select one. Add a rectangle element, change its color to black, cover the entire screen with it while making it semi-transparent. Then, add the book's title, and voila! You've got your book summary image. Download it. Now, visit the Capleds website through the link in the description, register with your Google account, and on your dashboard, you will see the Offers section. Here, click on the Filters option and select Offer Type as Email Submits and Surveys. Now, you'll see all the survey offers available. Your audience simply needs to fill out a survey and you'll earn money. Copy your affiliate link, then go to the Bitly website, register yourself for free, and you will see this page. Here, click on Create New and then Link. Enter the copied link and in the Custom Back Half section, type Money for your thoughts and hit Enter. You will get your affiliate link now. Copy it and paste it in the Google Docs file. Now let's talk blogs. But wait, don't click away just yet if you've struggled to grow your blog. I've got some special tips for you at the end of this video that will help you grow as a freelance and get your first customer faster. So if you have not yet subscribed, then do so right now so that you won't miss any other update from us. Start by registering on Medium website for free. Click Write. Here, use the book title as your blog title, paste the ChatGPT generated summary, and add the Canva image at the top of the summary. Then, go to ChatGPT and enter this prompt, copy the output, and paste it a few times in your article. Now select the copied text and click on the link option and paste your affiliate link here, and your blog is ready. Hit Publish. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, how to get traffic to your blogs. I've got 3 fantastic methods for you. Method 1. Create short videos related to your blog's topic. For instance, if you're blogging about Rich Dad Poor Dad, find a video of Robert Kiyosaki talking about the book. Check out our video in the I button if you need help creating short videos from long videos. And at the end of your short video, promote your blog. Method 2. Join Facebook groups in your niche and share your blog link with catchy titles. There are thousands of potential viewers in these groups waiting to discover your content. Method 3. Head over to Instagram and search for your niche. Find a post with lots of comments. Then DM your blog links to the people engaging with that post. Since they're interested in the topic, they're likely to check out your blogs. And as you only need them to fill out the surveys in your blogs, that's not a difficult task as they don't need to spend any money on it. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for tuning in and exploring these money-making methods with me. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our updates. Until next time, keep making money with AI, and I'll see you in the next video.